Reception. Literacy skills. English. Letter M. Hello my dear kids. I hope all are doing well and having a great time. My kids, are you ready to learn a new letter today? It is letter M. Look my kids, all these pictures are starting with letter M. Shall we read the words? M for monkey. M for mango. M for moon. Let's learn some more words beginning with letter M. M for milk. M for mother. M for mug. M for mermaid. Kids, now you know the pictures that are starting with letter M. Take your personal whiteboard and draw pictures that begin with letter M. Now I am going to show you how to write letter M correctly. Parents, please put some sand on a tray or plate. Then get the child to write letter M with his index finger. My kids, now let's start to write letter M. First, you have to start from stand in line. And look at the way how I am writing letter M. Like this, you have to write letter M correctly, my kids.
M. M.
The lowercase letter M. First, follow the numbers and trace the lines. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, try to stay inside the lines. This is fun! Now, try to do it on your own. Awesome! One more.
Okay kids, now can you guess the first letter of the given pictures? Okay, Let's see. First picture is monkey. The second picture is mirror. The third picture is mother, moon, and there is a last picture is mango. All these pictures are starting with letter M. Kids, now we are going to do something very interesting. Who am I? Are you ready to do it? Okay, let's do it. I live in the ocean. My song is magic. My tail fin is marked. Who am I? Who can guess the answer? The answer is mermaid. Okay, let's go to the next one. In the night sky, I see your face high in the sky. That is your place. The answer is moon. Kids, you have to do this activity. Take an English newspaper and cut 5 big M letters. After that, paste it on the color A4 sheet. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. See you soon with another lesson. Thank you, children. Stay safe.